What's up, everybody? RC Explosion Box Volume 45. Here's the lineup this month. It's alright. It's also not that many packs. There's a couple decent ones in terms of value. So it won't be that long of a break. So I will start off with this 2019 Minor League Heritage. Looking for Julio Rodriguez, Wander Franco. Actually have one of the bazooka throwback, not really throwback, the bazooka autographs of Franco from this. It's a pretty cool card. All right, let's see here. Dane Dunning. Is this the Trash Pandas? Yeah. All right, Ethan Hankins, Victor Mesa, sorry, Genesis Cabrera, and Alex Kirilloff. All right, next, 2022 Series 2, got the short prints in here. Julio Rodriguez, Bobby Witt, Torkelson, all right, Kyle Farmer, Kevin Gausman, Bradley Zimmer. I'm pretty sure the short prints are backwards too, for what that's worth. Detroit Tigers card, Devers, Byron Buxton, Nick Madrigal, Juan Yepes, however you say that, Tristan McKenzie, Josh Hader, Alec Baum, and Shogo Akiyama. Alrighty, what I put next here was this 2020 Topps Chrome. I believe this is retail. Yeah, looking for the Jordan, Luis Robert, Bo Bichette. Pablo Lopez. There we go, Bo Bichette. I'll take it. Austin Nola and Chris Bryant. All right, what do we have? Jumbo of the 2013 Bowman. With Correa, Nettleson, Buxton, Machado, Giolito. All right, David Price. Bryce Harper. At least it's an early Harper, I guess, right? 2013 paper. This rookie was 2012. Anthony Gose, Adrian Beltre. Go through these papers here. All this stuff flipped over. Polanco. Oy. Flip it back. Jose Ramirez. Got a gold. What we got here? Kendrys Morales. All right. Put these down. Joe Mauer, blue paper. Got a mini of Marcus Stroman. Not really my favorite player. Pedro Ruiz. Matt Stites from the Chrome here. Hansel Robles. Bruce Rondon. Max White. And that's it for the Chromes, I believe. All right, what do we got left here? Rios, Cliff Lee, Dylan Bundy, rookie, Paco Rodriguez, Brock Holt. My wife's actually a huge fan of Brock Holt. Probably one of his only ones. Actually seems like a cool dude though. All right. Sorry, my brain's all mossy. Really busy night last night at work. 2022 Bowman. This is Hobby at Hobby. Hope we can get the auto out of this pack or some color. Don't look like it. Spencer Strider, Shohei, JD Martinez, Francisco Lindor, CJ Abrams. Let's see. Christian Hernandez, Martinez, Luis Matos, and Malcolm Nunez. All right, last pack here, the 2020 Bowman Chrome. I'm assuming this is where a decent portion of the value of the packs from this box came from. So you're looking for, what's going on with me? Harris, Grisham, Alvarez, Acuna. Nolan Arenado. I do really like the design of this here. Fernando Tatis, Adley Rutschman insert, Dawn of Glory, Ethan Hearn, and William Contreras. All right. Some of the things I got here, nothing really major with this box. The Rutschman insert, the paper Brock Holt for my wife, paper Bryce Harper second year, in the Bo Bichette rookie. Well, I hope there's some decent pulls this month. Good luck, everyone. Take it easy.